Nice. Nice.
Is it a boy or a girl?
I think it's a boy. Male.
What is he doing? Swimming.
You know when
Uy,
it swims,
there's
naman legs
there are
niya,
ducks,
oh.
other ducks, oh. Small ducks.
Ade. Pero syempre, the beautiful one is the white one, no? Looks like it's just alone. There are no similar.
Yeah, of course he stands out.
Yeah.
Looks like a dog to me.
What?
There's a beautiful swan.
Mama, check out those ducks eating flowers.
Ay, oo nga, no. They're not supposed to be eating. Baka hindi sila matunawan.
Why? What is it ba?
They're eating, flowers. Yeah, that duck there. Duck.
Mama, no, daw ni tata yung swan adobo.
Yeah. This one.
So verse 1.
Sige.